touched on open house. So I'd love to ask you some questions about that. So let's say you've gone through this process. Now you're listing it. And correct me if I'm wrong. I'm assuming now that you've listed it, the very next step is the open house, because now you've got it on the market.
Yeah.
So how does that go down?
We typically do that. Yeah. So we get professional photos. We get a really big online campaign going, and then we like to have that line up, preferably that first weekend if we can. Because as you know, when a house hits the market, that's a big splash.
Yes.
You know, if you're priced correctly and it's a nice house in a nice area, that's going to make a big splash on the market. So if you can double that all up with an open house. So I love to list a house on a Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yep.
Get everything rolling, and then actually restrict showings a little bit until the open house on Saturday. I don't know if that's legal with the Board of Realtors or not, if we're supposed to do that or not, but that's kind of what we do.
I think a lot of agents do.
Yeah.
Another agent shared that he does that.
It's a great way. It helps the seller out 100%.
Yes.
Because you've got an open house now with 30 people walking through the open house.
Right.
And you really create that price or push that price up and create scarcity. And anyways, a lot of great things happen from the open house. And I think open houses are becoming more and more popular.
I agree.
People are seeing them through, their app, through Zillow or the website or whatever, and seeing that there's an open house and they're just driving around and checking them out. So we get a lot of traffic for the sellers at an open house, and have sold, quite a few of our listings that way.
Yeah, I think it's interesting you say that, because there was a time, oh gosh, I can't even pinpoint when in history it was, but there was a time where you would ask an agent, how many houses have you sold through an open house? And they're like, none.
Yeah.
We just do it and get some buzz, and then, we get offers a week later or whatever. Now you ask agents, how many houses you sold, and it's quite a few.
Yeah.
A lot of offers are coming in from open houses.
Yeah, it is weird. It's definitely becoming popular, and it works out great for the seller.
Yeah.
You get a lot of people through the house all at once.
Right.
If it's occupied, it works out great because they can take a Saturday off,
Yes.
go do shopping, whatever,
Yes.
get out of the house, and then hopefully you can get 25, 30 people through the house
Exactly.
all at once.
And then be done showing it
And
in one
hopefully
shot.
be done by Monday, Tuesday.
Yeah.
Right, with an offer.
Totally. And I'm just kind of thinking, I wonder if that's relative to the market being so hot versus, let's say 10 years ago when the market wasn't as hot. Maybe that's where you would do an open house.
I think you're right.
Yeah.
There's definitely something to that.
Yeah.